Action.
Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. Brand new boat just came in. This is a 2027 Sea Ray 21 SPX. Really excited to walk you guys through this boat. So starting off here on the swim platform, really nice and spacious swim platform for all the water activities you and your family might be doing on the water. You do have a boarding ladder here on your starboard side. And then you have a really nice sun pad back here for lounging, catching those Georgia rays. This is with our Sea Ray Dune interior upholstery, so really nice and gorgeous, elegant interior. As we make our way into the cockpit of the boat, you will notice this boat does have a water sports tower as well as a bimini top. The boat is going to be powered by a MerCruiser 200 horse engine, and then you will have, notice, your matching seagrass floor throughout the entire cockpit of the boat. And then one of my favorite features of the cockpit on this boat is the reversible backrest here. So this is a backrest that has multiple different positions, so you can either sit forward or you can sit aft. Once you're anchored up in the marina, really enhance your cockpit entertaining area back here. Here at the helm, you have a really nice helm chair with a flip-up bolster. Simrad multifunction display, so this is going to give you everything from your chart plotter to your depth finder as well as all of your Mercury data. And then here you will have your head unit for your Fusion audio system. And then as we make our way up into the bow, really nice and spacious seating here on the port and starboard side. So guys, there's a ton more to check out on this Sea Ray 21 SPX. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at MarineMax.com. If you'd like to schedule a private showing, visit us here at MarineMax Lake Lanier in Baldridge Marina.